In this video, I'm gonna show you how to secretly record video on iPhone or iPad iOS 16. On iPhone or iPad devices, when you are recording a video and you lock the screen, the recording will stop. But today, I will show you how, while your screen is off, you still will be able to film in a hidden way without noticing anyone. To do so, open your iPhone setting and go to Accessibility, then click on VoiceOver. Turn on the VoiceOver, and from now on, whatever you do on your iPhone or iPad, you need to double tap.
VoiceOver alert. Important.
Double tap on OK. Again, double tap on your camera. Change it to video. Double tap on the red recording button. With your 3 fingers, 3 times tap on the screen to lock the screen. Behind the scene, your video recording will go on. To unlock your screen, again tap 3 times with your 3 fingers on the screen. You will see that the filming has not stopped.